What time should I eat breakfast? What is the perfect time to eat lunch? And what is the best time to eat dinner? Aren't we all confused? Let's clear all those myths. Sometimes breakfast can be at 8 a.m. and breakfast sometimes can be at 10 a.m. That's fine. Just so as long as you never skip meals. Because if you skip meals, you tend to eat the next meal far larger, which is not what we want you to do. So if you don't want to do that, make sure your 3 main meals, your breakfast, lunch and dinner, are never skipped. So there isn't a best time to eat meals. So the earlier you eat breakfast, the earlier you will eat lunch, and therefore the earlier you'll eat dinner. And of course, if your waking hours between dinner and bedtime are longer, it's always easier because then your body is still at BMR, right? When you are awake, you are at basal metabolic rate, which is your burning capacity. Versus when we go to sleep, your body goes into RMR, resting metabolic rate, which is far lesser than BMR. So which is why if the time gap between meal times and bedtimes are longer, you tend to burn out more of your food. Versus if they're not and you go to sleep, you move from BMR to RMR, storing a lot of the food you eat. So there's no fixed time, and I will not decide that for you, and no one should, because this has to be your meal plan.